This means so much. It means a second chance, a second shot at this. It means, yeah, it may not have worked out last year, but here's another chance to make it work out this year.
This golden ticket literally means second chance. It's literally a second chance for me to prove myself. So I'm going to work hard and not let myself down. And people believing in me, I'll not let them down.
Yes, we here I come.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's great, like validation again, and it just means that my dreams still reality can still come true. I'm super excited. I can't wait to go to like TSA week and kick it. This golden ticket means to me validation. It means that I'm still in the running to become the next Nigerian Idol. So it means that I don't know, it feels like something I should keep and treasure and put somewhere for the rest of my life. It's really pretty, by the way.